Now, a turntable has two core jobs here: spinning the record at a steady, consistent speed and letting that little teeny tiny stylus track the grooves with accuracy. That's it. But how well it does these two things depend on the quality of its components: the platter, the tone arm, the cartridge, and the base it sits on. And that's what separates a turntable that sounds okay from one that sounds incredible. So that's the foundation. From here on out, we're talking hi-fi turntables, and the first thing you'll need to decide is what type is right for you.